What is your average ticket for pressure washing job? Go put your average ticket, and I'm going to show you how you can find the average ticket for your pressure washing job. Every time I have guests on or I ask this question, and when I'm helping people try to start and grow their business or trying to grow their business, this is one of the first questions is what is your average ticket? And when I know that they know it, they will say $675. When they don't know their average ticket and they don't know their numbers, they'll say, my average ticket is between $400 and $800. This means you don't know your numbers. So what is your average ticket? Put it down in the comments here. This is what I want to show you how we can know exactly what our number is. So one way you can do it is to say, all right, Jason, I did $10,000 this month. And the next question is I'm going to say is how many jobs did you do? And you're going to say, well, I did 50 jobs. So I'm going to divide that by 50. And that's going to give me an average ticket of $200. So $200. Or you might say I did 10,000 and I only did it in 10 jobs. And I have an average ticket of $1,000. Now, which one do you want here? Do we want to do more jobs for less money for the same amount? Or do we want to do less jobs and make the same amount and do less jobs? And so this is why it is important, why we need to get our average ticket up. I always talk about getting our average ticket up. What do we need to do to get our average ticket up? Doing packages, raising our prices in general. And this is how we can do this by getting this. When we know our numbers and we know that if I go out on a job and I do one job and it's $1,000, I know that if I do, there's 20 days in a month. If I times that by 20, guess what? I just did a $20,000 month. And yes, you can do a $20,000 month and you can do it by yourself. You don't even need a crew. You literally can do $20,000 a month by doing 20 jobs and making $20,000. This is the reason why we want to get our average ticket up. So the higher we get our average ticket up, the better off we are. Now, this is one way, and this is a rough way of getting it. Another way is a CRM. Most of your CRMs are going to be able to tell us our average ticket or how much is our average price and our average ticket. And so this is the importance of having a good CRM. If you want to go check out some CRMs, I've got 3 or 4 on my resource page. Go to kingofpressurewash.com/resource or go up in the King of Pressure Wash and hit resource. And there you will find where I've got different ones. I've got Marquette. Will tell us everything with it. We got Jobber, House Call Pro. And so these are some ways that we can get and use our CRM. And this is why it is important to have a CRM, because if we don't know how much our average ticket is, then how can we grow our business? How do I know that each job's going to cost me? You know, I'm all about marketing, and marketing is what's going to grow our business. And if I got an average ticket of $1,000, and if I'm willing to spend 10% in marketing, that means I'm willing to spend $100 to get this one job right here. And we're at this one up here at $200. That's only going to give me $20 to try to find a customer for $20. And I got to find a whole lot of those customers to do that. And that's going to be tough. That's going to be way harder. It's going to be way easier to do $1,000 job than it is to do $50, $200 jobs and only getting to pay $20 per customer to do that. And so a CRM will definitely help us know where we need to be at, and it will help us to see our numbers. And that's one reason why we want to use a CRM. I haven't really pushed a CRM a whole lot, but one reason why I want to push them is because I'm finding out more and more people don't know their numbers. They give me this average here, and that tells me you don't know your numbers. And I want you to know your numbers, because when we know our numbers to an exact science, business is a math game. That's all business is a math game. If we know our numbers and we know how to play those numbers, and we know that, hey, if we spend this much, it's going to bring me in this much, that's what it's all about. That's why it is important when I ask somebody, what is your number? What is your average ticket? And if you can't tell me your average ticket, that tells me you don't know your numbers. And we really need to know our numbers, because when we know our numbers, then we can be like, it cost me $50 to get a customer, and from that customer, I'm going to make $1,000, $800. $900. This is how we can get our average ticket, and so that way we know what our average ticket is, so you can grow your business and be successful. Again, if you want to, you can go check out kingofpressurewash.com/resources. There is a link in the description down here. But before you do that, go down in the description and tell me what your average ticket is. Even if it's $100 or $200, I want to know what your average ticket is so I can help you grow your business and be successful.